namin itong milk classic rice cake with them. Yan, with banana flavor and cheese. So, open na talaga to. In-open ko na yan eh. Una namin titikman is cheese. Cheese! Rice cake. Let's go. Lame. Sarap. No?
Very nostalgic yung lasa niya. Super.
So next po namin tatry itong banana rice cake. Bukas na din ulit to. Parang natanggal yung anghang.
Sabay-sabay subok.
Delicious! Tawa na yung nag-uwi. Ang papangit naman mag-review nito. 1 to 10.